Hello, I thought I'd heard everything in the weight loss world, but I just found a way that shows how you can use hypnosis to drop fat effortlessly. This works even if you're not dieting, even if you're not exercising. Now, the hypnosis might make you want to eat right and exercise. Or, it might just speed up your metabolism so you drop weight automatically. I had no idea about this, but it turns out that we can often have subconscious blocks that are keeping the weight on, even when we're doing everything else right. That's one reason why you find some people who can't seem to lose weight no matter what they do. But that doesn't have to be your fate. Click the link below this video to see how you can drop dozens of pounds through hypnosis. You know what the coolest part is? This hypnotic process only takes 15 minutes. Yes, 15 minutes a day of this can help drop weight faster than many exercise and diet plans. Why? Because hypnosis can permanently change your subconscious mind so you're motivated to keep the weight off. Or it might help reset your metabolism so you don't hold extra fat out of subconscious guilt or shame. The fact is that there are many reasons we hold weight on that are very psychological. That's what makes hypnosis so magical. Take a look at the link below and tell me what you think.